evident, evident, evident.
This word means something is clearly seen or understood without needing to be told or shown. It's obvious and plain to see. Here's a sample sentence. The broken window was evident to anyone who looked at the house, as shards of glass littered the sidewalk. In this example, evident means clearly visible or apparent.
Evolution, evolution, evolution.
This process is when things that live change over time, becoming different from what they were before. It's a gradual change that happens slowly, often taking many years or even centuries to notice. Here is a sample sentence. The process of evolution over millions of years has led to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, from single-celled organisms to complex species like humans. This sentence demonstrates how the word evolution can be used in context to describe the scientific concept of gradual change and development in living things.
Evolve, evolve, evolve.
This means to change over time, becoming something new and different from what you were before. Here is a sample sentence. The species has evolved over millions of years to adapt to its changing environment. This sentence demonstrates how the word evolve can be used in a context that shows the gradual development or transformation of something, in this case, a species, over time.
Exact, exact, exact.
This word means being completely precise or accurate, with no mistakes or errors. Here is a sample sentence. The architect made sure to draw the blueprint with exact measurements, so that the building could be constructed precisely as planned.
Exaggerate, exaggerate, exaggerate.
To say something is more than it really is, often to make it sound bigger or more exciting. Here's a sample sentence. She tends to exaggerate her accomplishments when talking about her job, which can be annoying to listen to. In this sentence, exaggerate means to make something seem bigger or more impressive than it really is.
Exaggeration, exaggeration, exaggeration.
It's when someone says something is bigger or more extreme than it really is, often to make a point or be funny. Here is a sample sentence. The tourist claim that he had climbed Mount Everest in under an hour was clearly an exaggeration, as it would have been physically impossible to reach the summit so quickly.
Exalt, exalt, exalt.
To lift someone or something up to a higher position, making them feel proud and important. Here is a sample sentence. The crowd erupted in cheers as their team's star player scored the winning goal, exalting him to hero status. In this sentence, exalt means to praise or honor someone highly, often because of their achievements.
Exalted, exalted, exalted.
This word means being very high up or superior in some way, often in a good sense. Here is a sample sentence. The crowd erupted in cheers as their team's star player was exalted to the top of the championship trophy stand, where he was showered with confetti and adoration. In this example, exalted means lifted up or honored in a grand way.
Exasperate, exasperate, exasperate.
This word means to feel extremely annoyed or frustrated, often because something is taking too long or being very difficult. Here's a sample sentence. The constant ringing of the alarm clock was starting to exasperate me, and I just wanted to hit the snooze button one more time. In this example, the person is feeling frustrated and annoyed by the repetitive noise, which is causing them to feel exasperated.
Exceed, exceed, exceed.
This word means to go beyond or surpass something, like being more than enough or bigger than expected. Here is a sample sentence. The new sales team exceeded their quarterly targets by 15%. In this example, exceeded means to go beyond or surpass a certain limit or standard, in this case, the quarterly targets.
Exceedingly, exceedingly, exceedingly.
This word means to be more than expected or usual, often in a good way. It describes something that is stronger, better, or greater than what you would normally think of. Here's a sample sentence using the word exceedingly. The fireworks display was exceedingly impressive, with vibrant explosions of color and light that lit up the entire sky. In this sentence, exceedingly is used to emphasize the intensity or degree of something. In this case, the impressiveness of the fireworks display. It's equivalent to saying very or extremely, but it has a slightly more formal or old-fashioned tone.
excel, excel, excel,
This word means to be very good at something, often better than others. It's about doing something exceptionally well. Here is a sample sentence. The company's sales team was able to excel in their quarterly performance, exceeding projections by 25%. In this sentence, excel means to perform exceptionally well or surpass expectations.
excellent, excellent, excellent,
This word means something is very good, of high quality, and meets or exceeds expectations. Here is a sample sentence. The chef's new recipe was an excellent combination of flavors with the perfect balance of sweet and savory notes. This sentence demonstrates how the word excellent can be used to describe something, in this case, a dish, as being of high quality or superior.
exception, exception, exception,
It's something that doesn't follow the usual rule or pattern, but is still allowed or accepted because it's different from others. Here is a sample sentence. The new restaurant's exceptional service and delicious food made it an exception to the usual disappointing dining experiences in this neighborhood. In this sentence, exception refers to something that stands out from the norm or is unusually good.
exceptional, exceptional, exceptional,
This word means something or someone is very good, better than most others, and stands out from the rest. Here is a sample sentence. The fireworks display was truly exceptional, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns that lit up the night sky. In this sentence, exceptional means unusually good or impressive. It suggests that the fireworks display was outstanding and surpassed expectations.
excess, excess, excess,
It's something that is more than what is needed or wanted, often causing problems or making things worse. Here's a sample sentence. The company's profits were so high that they had an excess of funds to invest in new projects. In this example, excess refers to more than what is needed or wanted, often implying something that is unnecessary or beyond what is required.
excessive, excessive, excessive,
This word means something is too much or more than what's needed. Hey. Here's a sample sentence. The company was fined for excessive emissions from its factory, which had been violating environmental regulations for months. In this example, excessive means more than what is considered reasonable or acceptable. The company's emissions were so high that they exceeded the allowed limits, making them excessive.
exchange, exchange, exchange,
It's when two or more things are given to each other so everyone gets something back. Here's a sample sentence. The students were able to exchange their old books for new ones at the school library's annual book fair. This sentence demonstrates the word exchange in the context of trading or swapping something, in this case, books, with someone else.
excite, excite, excite,
This word means to make someone feel happy, interested, or enthusiastic about something. It's like a spark that makes you want to do or think about something more. Here's a sample sentence. The fireworks display was sure to excite the crowd with its vibrant colors and explosive bursts.
excitement, excitement, excitement,
It's a strong feeling that makes you happy and eager to do something or experience something new. Here is a sample sentence. The crowd erupted into cheers and applause as the concert began, filling the air with electric excitement.